this guide, we are going over every single accessory and everything you need to know about them here in Bizarre Lineage Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. In Bizarre Lineage, accessories are not just cosmetic items. They give you stat boosts like extra health, power, defense, and more. And whenever you defeat an enemy in the game, there's a chance it's going to drop accessories as loot. You can pick up to 7 of these accessories at the exact same time, each in a different equipment slot. And because of this, stacking the right accessories can significantly improve your build. Every accessory is going to roll with at least 2 bonus stats as well, and these are going to be like common items using a 1x stat multiplier, uncommon using a 1.5x, rare using 2x, legendary 2.5x, and mythical is using 3x stat multipliers, and sometimes they can even re-roll the same stat twice, making that bonus even stronger. Because of this system, a lower rarity item with a great stat reroll can sometimes be a lot stronger than a higher rarity item with bad stats. There's head accessories, which as you can see, I have on right now, and you can actually see all these accessories right here as well. There's face, neck, and then there's also going to be body, arm, back, and leg, all like that. They all do different things. Head is health and health regeneration. Face is boosting power and power regeneration. Neck is health and penetration. It provides those. Back is going to give you health and power regeneration. Body is increasing health and defense. Arm is penetration and health regeneration, and leg accessories is health and power. Now, since these are random in terms of stat rerolls, it is important to check the stats and only focusing on rarity. There's also an NPC named Raw who sells early game accessories, which cost about 2,500 cash, including items like white rip jackets, black rip jackets, straw hats, fancy scarves, fighter hand wraps, ruby earrings, and chef hats. Some of the cheaper ones are only like 1,000 cash, such as baseball caps, top coats, stuff like that, and those are usually about 1,000 cash. But for PvP builds, the most important stats are usually penetration, power, defense, and health regeneration. And for PvE farming, you should probably prioritize power regeneration, raw power, health, and defense. If you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.